Planning a financially stress-free vacation is essential for ensuring a relaxing and enjoyable trip. In today's fast-paced world, where stress levels are often high, taking a break and unwinding is crucial for our overall well-being. By effectively managing your finances before and during your vacation, you can significantly reduce the stress associated with money matters and fully immerse yourself in the experience. Benefits of a stress-free vacation. A stress-free vacation allows you to fully relax and recharge, improving your mental and physical health. It enables you to make the most of your time away from work or daily responsibilities, creating lasting memories and experiences. Effective financial planning ensures that you can indulge in activities, dining, and accommodations without constantly worrying about overspending. Impact of financial stress on travel experiences. Financial stress can dampen the excitement of a vacation, leading to anxiety and tension. It may force you to compromise on experiences, accommodations, or dining options, limiting the overall enjoyment of your trip. By proactively managing your finances, you can avoid these negative impacts and focus on making the most of your time away. Value of proper planning. Proper financial planning is key to a stress-free vacation. It allows you to set a budget, prioritize expenses, and allocate funds for various aspects of your trip, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Engage in thoughtful planning to maximize your vacation enjoyment and minimize financial worries. Setting vacation goals. Setting clear vacation goals based on your personal preferences, budget, and desired experiences is crucial for aligning your financial planning with your travel expectations. By defining your goals upfront, you can ensure that your trip meets your needs and desires while staying within your financial means. Preferred destinations and activities. Start by listing down your preferred destinations and activities to determine the budget requirements for your trip. Consider factors such as travel distance, accommodation costs, dining options, and sightseeing activities. This will help you set realistic financial goals and allocate funds accordingly. Accommodation options and transportation costs. When setting vacation goals, it's essential to consider accommodation options and transportation costs. Research different lodging choices, from budget-friendly hotels to luxury resorts, and factor in transportation expenses such as flights, rental cars, or public transportation. By understanding these costs up front, you can make informed decisions that align with your budget. Prioritizing experiences. Prioritize experiences that bring you the most joy and relaxation within the set budget. Whether it's exploring a new city, relaxing on a beach, or indulging in local cuisine, focus on activities that align with your interests and budget constraints. By prioritizing experiences, you can create a memorable and fulfilling vacation that meets your expectations. Creating a vacation budget. Developing a comprehensive vacation budget is essential for ensuring that your trip is financially stress-free and well-planned. By estimating expenses across various categories such as travel, accommodation, food, activities, and emergency funds, you can effectively manage your finances and enjoy a worry-free vacation experience. Researching average costs. Start by researching the average costs for your chosen destinations to create a realistic budget. Consider factors such as accommodation prices, transportation expenses, dining costs, and activity fees. By understanding the typical expenses associated with your destination, you can set a budget that aligns with your financial capabilities. Allocating funds for unexpected expenses. When creating your vacation budget, it's important to allocate funds for unexpected expenses and emergencies. Setting aside a portion of your budget for unforeseen circumstances can help you avoid financial stress and handle any unexpected costs that may arise during your trip. Be prepared for emergencies by having a financial safety net in place. Utilizing budgeting tools. To stay within your set budget, consider using budgeting tools or apps to track your expenses and monitor your spending. These tools can help you stay organized, identify areas where you may be overspending, and make adjustments as needed to ensure that you stick to your budget throughout your vacation. By actively managing your finances, you can enjoy a financially responsible and stress-free travel experience. Saving and booking smart. Implementing money-saving strategies can significantly reduce vacation costs and help you make the most of your travel budget. By booking in advance, utilizing travel rewards, and opting for off-peak travel times, you can enjoy a more affordable and budget-friendly vacation experience. Booking flights and accommodations early. One of the most effective ways to save money on your vacation is by booking flights and accommodations early. By securing your travel arrangements in advance, you can take advantage of lower prices, discounts, and early booking deals. Planning ahead allows you to lock in favorable rates and ensure availability during peak travel seasons. Utilizing travel reward programs. Maximize your savings by utilizing travel reward programs or credit card points for free or discounted travel. Many airlines, hotels, and credit card companies offer loyalty programs that allow you to earn points or miles for your purchases. By redeeming these rewards for flights, accommodations, or other travel expenses, you can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket costs and enjoy added perks during your trip. Traveling during off-peak seasons. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons to take advantage of lower prices and fewer crowds. Off-peak times typically offer more affordable rates for flights, accommodations, and activities, allowing you to stretch your travel budget further. By avoiding peak travel periods, you can enjoy a more relaxed and budget-friendly vacation experience while still exploring your desired destinations. Packing wisely. Packing efficiently is key to saving money, reducing stress, and ensuring a smooth travel experience. By creating a packing list, considering weather conditions, and avoiding last-minute purchases, you can pack smartly and enjoy a stress-free vacation without unnecessary expenses. Preparing a packing list. Start by preparing a packing list based on your planned activities and the weather forecasts for your destination. By organizing your essentials in advance, you can avoid the need for last-minute purchases and ensure that you have everything you need for a comfortable trip. Consider versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched for different outfits to minimize the number of items you pack. Packing versatile clothing items. Pack versatile clothing items that can be worn in multiple ways to minimize the need for shopping during your trip. Choose pieces that can be dressed up or down and layered for varying weather conditions. By packing strategically, you can reduce the temptation to buy new clothing items while traveling and save money on unnecessary purchases. Avoiding overpacking. Avoid overpacking to prevent additional baggage fees and streamline the travel experience. Pack only the essentials and avoid packing items that you may not end up using. By traveling light and efficiently, you can save money on luggage fees, move more easily through airports and transportation hubs, and enjoy a more organized and stress-free vacation. Enjoying a stress-free vacation. To maximize relaxation and enjoyment during your vacation, it's essential to prioritize experiences, stick to your budget, and stay mindful of expenses. By focusing on meaningful experiences, staying within your set budget, and monitoring expenses, you can ensure a stress-free and fulfilling travel experience. Staying within the set budget. One of the keys to enjoying a stress-free vacation is to stay within your set budget. By adhering to your financial plan and avoiding overspending, you can eliminate financial worries and fully immerse yourself in the joys of travel. Stick to your budget for accommodations, dining, activities, and souvenirs to ensure a financially responsible and enjoyable trip. Focusing on meaningful experiences. Instead of focusing on materialistic purchases, prioritize meaningful experiences that align with your interests and values. Whether it's exploring a new culture, trying local cuisine, or engaging in outdoor adventures, focus on experiences that create lasting memories and bring you joy. By valuing experiences over possessions, you can enhance your vacation satisfaction and overall well-being. Monitoring expenses. Throughout your trip, monitor your expenses to maintain financial peace of mind. Keep track of your spending, review your budget regularly, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. By staying mindful of your expenses and making informed decisions, you can enjoy a stress-free vacation without the burden of financial stress. Effective financial planning is essential for ensuring stress-free and enjoyable vacations. By following the key strategies discussed in this video, you can maximize relaxation, minimize financial worries, and create lasting memories during your travels. Remember to prioritize experiences over materialistic purchases, stick to your budget, and stay mindful of expenses to make the most of your vacation experience. Effective financial planning plays a crucial role in creating a stress-free vacation. By setting clear goals, developing a comprehensive budget, and implementing money-saving strategies, you can enjoy a fulfilling and financially responsible trip that meets your expectations. We encourage you to start planning and saving for your next stress-free trip today. By taking proactive steps to manage your finances, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience without the burden of financial stress. Stay tuned for future content that will help you plan your dream vacations while staying within your budget. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!